In a world where technology changes faster and faster, companies can stay competitive by adapting this wisdom to the new context and needs. Discovery workshops play an essential role in reshaping the technological landscape because all relevant stakeholders come together to create shared understanding on scope, on objectives, on constraints, and overall project direction. We generally start with understanding our customers' contexts. We discuss the high-level product vision. We discuss users and processes. We map user journeys. And then we have the opportunities to identify pain points and challenges that helps us with ideation. We define then the high-level solution overview. And we do that by using user story mapping, user flows, and technical blueprints. We then establish priorities. We discuss risks, we discuss success factors, and the plan going forward.
Building a customer-centric solution is an adventure in itself. It starts with the discovery program, but it continues until the project's end. We usually start from what the customer has available. We reframe it in a way that makes it more valuable. And then we build an architecture that's suitable to the customer's long-term goals and the project's success criteria. If we were to pick 3 outcomes from a technical perspective that we should expect at the end of the discovery program, that would be a technical blueprint that ensures that new systems will integrate well with the IT infrastructure, with data models and third-party solutions. Technical estimations of the work packages. And lastly, a commercial offer that depicts all the dimensions of the implementation that will follow. What we try to do is to design a framework in which the requirements lifecycle has valuable inputs and delivers valuable outputs.
A discovery workshop lays the foundation for the project going forward. The aim is to achieve collaboration and set a project trajectory and envision solutions that are aligned to business goals, user needs, and technical requirements. We have a structured approach and a toolkit from which we draw the right tools to help us achieve our objectives. Accesa's approach is valuable because it uses a product mindset, a fail-fast approach to create valuable results.
When it comes to your application landscape, we believe that age isn't just a number, but is an opportunity. An opportunity to catalyze your experience, your knowledge, your existing systems, and scale your business up through a smartly done application modernization.